You may have noticed, and if you haven't, then you can take notice, we'll be speaking in the present tense, because we do things our way, and because everyone knows that philosophically that Krishna's Leelas are all eternal, and there's no past for Krishna, it's eternal present. So to say Krishna was the beloved of the gopis, or Krishna was dancing with the gopis. Krishna is dancing with the gopis right now, especially tomorrow night, right here in the Sharad Purnima. So I've taken a liberty with my philosophical foundation and tattva praman behind me, and the blessings of my Guru, who has blessed me several times to give these classes, to carry on. And when we try to present the present tense, because it's more active voice, and it feels like now time, it's happening. And often when you read past tense, it doesn't make any sense many times. When Lord Chaitanya was here, he's eternally, and we was here. When I was young, Krishna was 3 years old, and he's still 3 years old. Krishna was 8 years old, and he was Balya Lila, and he's still Balya Lila. He was Poganda Lila, and he's still Poganda Lila. And he was Navakishore, and he's still Navakishore. It's is. There's only one tense, is. So it's much more conducive to Lila Smaran. It's much more conducive to realizing that it's all going on right now, and the only thing separating us is Naham Prakashi Yoga Samamrita, Yogamaya Samamrita. It's just the Yoga Maya. When the Yoga Maya favors us, Yoga Maya is Krishna's internal potency. When Yoga Maya favors us, then we see the present in front of our present eyes, and we feel the present in our present hearts.